Should I put this like, screw this, I'm filming it up here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a pack with me video. I just wanted to show you guys how I'm packing for camp. Also, if you're expecting to get some super...
I'm gonna pack 3 outfits for 5 days in the wilderness, stuff them on this way, and origami them in my bag.
No, I'm an overpacker and I don't know how to do that. And I'm gonna start saying this because I think it's funny and it's one of my favorite things Emma Chamberlain has ever said. And this is gonna be my like new thing to get us into the video. Let's just flippity flop on right into it. Oh wait, I need to like talk during this. This is supposed to be like a vlog. I literally forgot this was supposed to be like a vlog style thing. Yeah, I enjoyed this and that. Let's get crisscross applesauce here. First, we need to pack some shoes. I'm gonna bring you guys are gonna see down here. Eyes down here, something you'll never hear. There we go. It's a nice little angle we have going on here. Originally, I wanted to bring probably like 8 pairs of shoes, but I narrowed it down to 6. I thought this was the perfect place to put shoes, so that's what I'm doing. I'll show you guys the shoes I'm bringing. I am bringing a pair of Converse just to be like my nicer pair of shoes. Next is like the essential camp shoe, and it's Chacos. So I'm just bringing mine. Mine are really crusted and dusted because I wore them in the creek. And actually just laying on top of those, I'm gonna put flip-flops. I'm not trying to get diseases on the bottom of my feet. Next, I have my nice tennis shoes, which are these Nike ones. They're actually my mom's, but I kind of stole them and adopted them as my own. These are for hiking and stuff that I need tennis shoes for that's not super dirty. And then I have these gorgeous. These are so cute. I got them from Walmart. They're $9. They're memory foam shoes to throw away at the end of camp. You should bring a pair of shoes that can just get completely messed up, mud all over them, and you can just throw them away at the end of camp. Also, on Friday or Thursday, I'm gonna buy so many snacks to put in this too, so I need to save space for snacks. Now, there's just like this little convenient, huge, spacious spot right here. It really is a lot of space right here, so let's get to packing. To say I go hard when it comes to packing would be an understatement. Just get ready for this great over package we're gonna have here. Yeah, so first is shorts, and I'm sure you can see the mass pile of things we have over here. Essential to camp is Nike shorts. So I bought 3 new pairs of these for camp, and I'm just gonna roll them up because that's the one packing tip I know is rolling your clothes. Then I have this nice snazzy gray pair. Then this light blue pair. I just picked the 3 most plain ones they had on the website. This darker blue pair. I really like these ones. I don't really wear Nike shorts that often, so I have to buy them. A sleek, like black pair. Then I have this kind of weird pair. I don't know if I'll end up wearing these, but I'm bringing them anyways because the more the merrier in my book for packing. I have this pair of Champion shorts. I might end up wearing these on the bus there, but we'll see. I can just take out whatever I feel like wearing. And then the last pair of athletic shorts I'm bringing are these yellow Adidas ones. Then another pair of shorts I bought are the ones from Urban Outfitters. They're like this camo cargo short pair. I really like these. And then I have 2 more pairs of shorts. This is honestly such a meme. Like, why am I bringing, I'm bringing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 pairs of shorts. I don't think I'm gonna pack this black pair of shorts because I don't think I'll end up wearing those. The camp I'm going to, I especially need to bring this because it's gonna be kind of cold. But I bought this sweatshirt from Brandy Melville. It's gonna keep me warm in the mornings and at night. Also, this stuff is nicely put in here now, but at the end of camp, it's all just gonna be shoved back in here. Okay, so they said we needed a blue, yellow, green, and red shirt, which I have all right here. Some of these shirts I actually stole from my dad's closet, so they're thrifted from my dad's closet. Yeah, I don't really wear shirts that are like oversized t-shirts you wear with Nike shorts. I don't really own many of those, so I kind of had to go on a wild goose chase to find these. Loved that little analogy I just had there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack these shirts, and then I have a couple other shirts I'm also packing on top of those. Don't think I'm being offensive saying that these are crappy t-shirts. They're just shirts, like, so what if they get dirty? So I'm probably packing like, I don't know, 14 shirts in total or something. Yikes. And this shirt I got last year. I don't even like the way it fits anymore. Some tie-dye shirt, but I feel like people wear tie-dye shirts to camp. I don't know. Then in case it's cold, I'm gonna bring this rainbow shirt from Brandy Melville. I thought this looked camp-esque. Then I have these two other shirts I'm debating on bringing. I feel like I should. It's like a nicer shirt. I'll bring this one. This is like my favorite shirt ever. So I still have to fit a towel in this though. And a denim jacket. What the heck? Okay, you guys, regrouping here. I'm gonna put some stuff in the fun fact, my camera battery died. But as I was saying, we're gonna regroup. We're gonna put some of these shirts in this side pocket right here. I know I technically only need to bring one jacket, but my overpacking self is telling me to bring this denim jacket. My mom also is telling me to bring it, so I'm gonna bring it. And also, it just looks cute. And whenever I'm cold, so I wanna bundle up. If it's 60 degrees, I'm freezing. So there we go. And there's a room perfectly for my towel. And now I'm gonna go get my swimsuits. And here we are. And while I was at it, I forgot about this tube top that I wanted to bring, so I'm gonna pack it. I'm gonna put my swimsuits in this side thing. Ooh, what are these? Sunscreen from the past location. This camp doesn't have a dress code, so I can wear bikinis there, so I'm just bringing this like little striped one. I feel like everyone has the swimsuit. I've seen so many people I know in like my town wearing this, so I'm like, ooh, let's hope they don't wear it to camp. I have this one from Hollister. Oh, this one's new. I got this from Urban Outfitters. I really like it. Here she is. A little modest moment. And then I have the bottoms, but the bottoms are really sketchy. And then the bottoms I'm pretty much gonna wear with all of these. And just in case I'm really not feeling the bikini vibe, I'm just gonna be bringing this Tommy Hilfiger onesie. Next, we're gonna pack my theme day stuff, which I've all conveniently put in this shower caddy. First, I just have this tie-dye t-shirt. I have these socks. Bandana, I'll put in there. Santa hat, woohoo. I know I should be taking this out of the packaging, but I don't feel like it, so yeah. Then this light up necklace thing. And these socks I'm actually gonna take out of this box because it just takes up too much space, and they're just Christmas socks. Packing tip, ding, put your socks in your shoes to save space. And these are actually pretty cute socks, if I do say so myself. So I'm kind of hyped. Oh my gosh, I just realized how much stuff I have to pack. Wow, okay. And then I have this shower caddy. I don't know why, but apparently I need a shower caddy. I was watching some YouTube video and they said shower caddy was a must, so if it's a must, I have to have it. Oh yeah, and then I have this pair of socks. These look like they're from IKEA or something. I'm just gonna pack my socks. I'm gonna pack more pairs too of more older, sketchy looking socks. So since it's semi-cold where I'm going, I'm gonna bring pants too. I'm just gonna bring this pair of jeans I have, a pair of plain black leggings, and then this pair of red sweatpants. So now more vlog style, I'm just going to show you the makeup and some of the toiletries, I guess, that I'm bringing. I'm just going to quickly run through this. My Dirty Beauty blender, some peach hand sanitizer, Mario Badescu aloe facial spray, makeup remover wipes, chapstick, some mascara, a waterproof mascara. I doubt I'll use this. I have this Maybelline powder, bronzer, concealer, which is probably my most important product. I don't think I'll use this either, but it's just nice to have just in case. It's this Morphe, oh crap, it has pretty basic colors in it. My second most important product is this Anastasia Dip Brow. And then I just have this highlighter in here. Honestly, I'm just bringing this for the mirror inside of it. And what I do to make sure the highlighter doesn't break, or at least help it, is I put these little cotton rounds in here. And then I just have some basic makeup brushes. Okay, so I thought you might be interested in seeing what's in my bus bag. It's just this mini Fjällräven Kanken backpack. I'm not going to show you guys shampoo, face wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, that kind of stuff, because I feel like that's pretty self-explanatory that you bring. So on the side, I just have my portable charger for my phone. Over here in this pocket, I just have a pair of sunglasses I really like, and some oil blotting sheets down in there. Now I'm gonna show you guys what's in the actual backpack. I also want to show you guys on this little carabiner thing, I just have a bunch of hair ties. I just have a hairbrush in here. My makeup bag you guys already saw. perfume, deodorant. Then in the back pocket right here, I just have the most important thing in this bag, my headphones. And that's all that's gonna be in here. Oh yeah, I also just want to tell you guys, I am bringing my camera, so I'm only bringing one tripod, and it's just this octopus tripod. It was so awkward and painful, but anyways, that's it for this video. I didn't film an outro, so you get this. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. It was not my normal kind of video, so hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to subscribe, you guys. Just a great time on this channel, and you won't regret subscribing. Bye.
Yeah, hey, trips to the mall, I just tripped in the fall. I think I might really be the one after all. Yeah, don't wanna rule them all, I'm the chosen one.